Hello everybody, this is Tony. I'm here with my partner Christian. We are both from CNA Financial Services, and we are coming to you with some exciting news about this upcoming tax season. So I would advise you guys to get your pen and paper ready because we are about to drop some knowledge to you guys.
The new tax credit that is available for new taxpayers, and the best news about that is that there's no income required. The child tax credit was a law that was passed that was giving a monthly payment to everyone who had a dependent. So you probably start getting payment from July to December. However, you were supposed to start getting payment from the month of January. So the partial payment that you did not receive, you will get it as a credit on your tax return. If you haven't got payment from a newborn child, or if the IRS have missed some payment, you get the opportunity to get it on your taxes. And the best news about that is that there is no income required. Whether you work and have earned income, you're still entitled for those payments. That's the opportunity for you to claim this credit. So don't be intimidated or don't be second guessing yourself and say, oh my God, I haven't worked and so I don't need to file taxes, because you will be missing this credit that you're fully entitled to. You will be receiving a statement from the IRS that is called a letter 6419. So do not neglect that letter 6419. The letter 6419, that's the summary of your payment, because if your payment does not match what the IRS have, it might delay your return. So make sure that you get that letter.
Are you part of the many Americans that still haven't received their stimulus? I would like to let you know that it's not too late to apply for your stimulus in case that you have not received it. And also other qualifying live event may apply. For instance, if you have a newborn child this year, or if you have adopted a kid, or if you have any previous dependent who still has not been claimed as a dependent, can still receive their stimulus on the upcoming tax year.
Last call for you to receive it on this tax year. Like Tony said, if you haven't received it, or if you have a dependent, a newborn child that haven't received it, or if one of your family members was left out, that's the opportunity to receive it. And again, the good news is that there's no income needed. Just file a normal no income tax return and you will receive your stimulus.
And you will also receive a letter from the IRS, which is a statement that shows all the stimulus that you have previously received as well. So if you receive, for instance, the first stimulus and skip the second stimulus but receive the third stimulus, then you will receive a letter showing you that, hey, you actually received the first and the third one, but you are missing the second one. And vice versa, depending on which one that you are missing, you will be able to see it on your statement that you receive from the IRS. So I will tell you guys to be on the lookout on, with your mail, and make sure that you are able to acquire such statement.
Remember, this letter is very important because it summarizes all the payment that you receive, and it has to match with the IRS record, because if it doesn't match, it will delay your return.
And in closing, we just want to let you guys know that make sure that you keep a lookout for the child tax credit letter that should be coming through the mail, that you keep on the lookout for the statement coming from the IRS in regards to your stimulus payment, and make sure that you have all those letters with you prior to you filing your taxes if you do not want any delay in the processing of the taxes.
Remember, there is a lot of opportunity to get a big tax refund. Some don't miss out on this opportunity. And I'm not going to stop saying that there's no income needed.
No income needed for you to file your taxes.